Today I am going to share Ragi Puttu recipe. Ragi, also known as nachni or finger millet, is a superfood. It is completely gluten-free and with low glycemic index, especially good for diabetic and obese people. Let us start with the recipe. Namaste friends, welcome back to Sathvik Lifestyle. Here I have taken 1 cup of organic ragi flour. Add pink Himalayan salt as per taste and gently mix it. Now add little water to your hand like this and sprinkle it on the floor and then mix it like this so that you can prevent the floor to get clumped. So add water little by little and mix properly. Avoid lumps. The procedure should be repeated till it is done. You may require almost half cup of water for 1 cup of ragi flour. Ragi has a low glycemic index and high fiber, helping in managing blood sugar levels and preventing spikes. It keeps you full for longer due to high dietary fiber, reducing hunger and cravings. It promotes easy digestion and prevents constipation. Perfect for people with gluten sensitivity or digestive discomforts because it is gluten free. It is high in calcium, rich with iron and vitamin D. Ragi is rich with the antioxidants that helps to fight with the inflammation, detoxifies the body and slows down aging. And it is good for growing children, pregnant and lactating women and also for elderly people. So definitely ragi is called as superfood. It is done now. The mixture is wet enough. To know this, take a small portion of the mixture and press it tightly like this. If it holds the shape like this, then the mixture is wet enough. Break the lumps and it should be lump free and keep it aside. This is puttu maker. If you don't have puttu maker, use idli mold or coconut shell. Now arrange the plate in proper position and add 2 spoons of fresh grated coconut first. Then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ragi mix. Repeat this procedure of layering coconut and ragi mixture. Last layer should be of coconut layer. Now close the lid. Preheat the pressure cooker with some water and allow the steam to come. Place the puttu maker over the steam vent of pressure cooker. Once the steam starts come out of the puttu maker, reduce the flame to lowest or put it in simmer and cook for 3 minutes. Now it is done. Transfer it to a plate. You can serve this puttu with any chutney or curry of your choice. Friends, do try this healthy recipe and let me know how it has turned out. If you like this video, please hit like button and share. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe and press bell icon for more healing and healthy recipes. See you in the next video. Till then, healing and healthy recipes. See you in the next video. Till then.